Hello friends, I am Manjunath I G, your English trainer, would welcome you all in this video. Well friends, in this video I am going to teach you 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 20 formula for improving your English. So many people you would like to improve your language, but most of the people don't know how to improve. So therefore I am going to give you today's this formula, and if you use this formula, definitely your English is going to be very improved. Well friends, so then before I am going to tell you this formula, just I would like to remind you, if you are a newcomer to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification on, and please do like this video. Well friends, so then let's get started. Well friends, what is this 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 20 formula? It means daily, if you want to improve your English, 10 minutes plus 10 minutes plus 10 minutes plus 20 minutes. It means totally 50 minutes if you use for improve your English, definitely you are going to speak English very fluently within a few days. Yes, my dear friends. So this is the one particular habit, one particular ritual we have to practice it daily morning. Yes, my dear friends, when you get up in the morning daily, you have to use this formula. So what is this 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 20 minutes formula? This is like daily when you wake up in the morning, first 10 minutes, what you need to do, you need to watch and listen English. Yes, my dear friends, plus first 10 minutes you have to watch any English movies or any English news channel or anything. If you want to listen to any audio, you just listen it. So when you watch and when you listen, so many English words, English phrases, English sentences are going into your mind, and when you are going to speak English, those sentences are going to come out from your mouth. So therefore I recommend you people, so 10 minutes you do watching and listening, and then second 10 minutes, what is this? This is very important, reading English, my dear friends. Yes, so read any English newspaper. If you want to read any English newspaper, suppose in English newspaper you get so many difficult words, therefore I recommend you people, so you can read any English comic books, okay, like a Tenali Rama or a Chota Bheem. So in such a way, so many English comics books are there, you can read them. So in those comics books, what you can see, along with the sentences, you see some pictures also, so that you can understand that situation very easily. Because when we read sentence sometime we can't understand, right? But when we see the picture, we can understand that sentence. Yes or no? For example, suppose if you don't know English, just you think you don't know English, and you are in the country where all people speak English language, right? So there you are hungry, so and you are standing there, and one person comes and he says that do you want to have something? So then you can't understand it. What is he telling? Do you want to have something? It means would you like to eat something, he is telling, but you do not understand that language. But instead of telling that sentence, if he shows something like some cake or some bread, and if he offers, by offering that, if he says would you like to have this one, so then suddenly you grab it and you eat. Yes or no? It means very important what it shows. So pictures are more important than sentences and then words. So therefore I would like to recommend you people, you can read any comics books, so there along with the sentence you can see the pictures also, so that you can understand the situation and you can use it when you speak English, that language, right? So second 10 minutes, what you need to do, you need to very important read English. And suppose if you are advanced level people, so then what you can do, you can read some novels or some personality development books or biography of great people, you can read. Well, See, when I was learning English, I used to read Mahatma Gandhiji's book, My Experiment with the Truth. That book I used to read in the morning, my dear friends, because when I used to read it, I get so much of a positivity through that book in my mind. So I recommend you people, if you want, you can read that book also. Well, otherwise, I used to read You Can Win book by Siv Kera. So that's a wonderful, so one of the great book to improve your personality and improve your life, because in each and every page, whatever page you open in that book, you can get so much of a positive sentences, so positive words to improve your life, my dear friends. So I recommend you people, you can read My Experiment with the Truth by Mahatma Gandhiji, or You Can Win by Siv Kera. Well, and then next 10 minutes, this is the third one. Yes, first 10 minutes we watched and we listened, and second 10 minutes we read English books, and then third 10 minutes writing. Yes, my dear friends. So what I suggest you write your timetable, right? For example, in the morning, today what you are going to do till you go to bed in the night. So suppose you may be you may have a appointment with the bank manager, or you are going to office, or you are going to meet some clients there, and you have to go and pay the electricity bill, or anything, whatever your schedule is there, no? So that one you write in English, right? Whatever comes into your mind, you try to write it in English, because when you writing is practical, my dear friends. How we speak, in the same way writing also is the output, because listening, watching and reading is input, writing and speaking is output, my dear friends. So when you start writing in English, you can become better in writing also, and your thinking pattern is going to be changed in English, my dear friends. So therefore I recommend you people, at least 10 minutes you write in English daily. Well, so first 30 minutes, first 10 minutes reading, first 10 minutes watching and listening, and the second 10 minutes you read English, and then third 10 minutes writing English. And now here comes the fourth stage, that is 20 minutes speaking. Yes, my dear friends. So until and unless you open your mouth and speak what you have in your mind, you are not going to speak English language, my dear friends. So therefore I recommend you people, without a hesitation, just start speaking. So speaking practice is very, very important. Whatever comes to your mind, you start speak it in English without stopping. Okay, no problem if you make a mistakes are common, because without making a mistakes, nobody can become perfect in this world, my dear friends. While inventing the bulb, Thomas Alva Edison did 10,000 times mistakes, my dear friends, in the same way, but he never stopped. Continuously he tried, and one fine day he succeeded to invent the bulb, right? In the same way, we also, initially we can make a mistake. How? Just remember how you could learn your mother tongue. See, when you were learning your mother tongue, so maybe Kannada, English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, any language it may be, right? So when you were learning, what you did so many mistakes, but as a child you just ignored those all mistakes. See, whenever you made a mistake, people used to laugh at you. Yes, see, when baby makes a mistakes, we used to laugh at it, but baby doesn't take it seriously, it doesn't take it personally, and it never minds it. Oh, people are laughing, I don't speak. See, it doesn't do it, right? So whenever people laughs, it gets encouragement, and again it try to speak. It speaks, and one fine day the child gets fluency, isn't it? When you practice English continuously, when you speak, and one fine day you will get the fluency, my dear friends. So therefore I recommend you people, practice 20 minutes in English. You just go in one room and just close the door, and whatever comes to your mind, you just speak those words. Okay, so you can speak about your daily routine. Suppose you read 10 minutes English books, or you watched English news channel or movies, or whatever, you just try to bring it out from your mouth, right? So when you speak continuously, when you start speaking, when you make a speaking practice, your tongue and your mouth is going to be practiced well, so that when you speak publicly without hesitation, you can speak fluent English, my dear friends. So in this way, 20 minutes you have to speak English continuously. If you make it a habit, so continuously you have to do it, and you should not stop, like you practiced today and tomorrow you just leave, and again after 2 days again you do not. You should not do like this. Consistency is very, very important. Continuously you have to practice it. Consistency is very, very important, my dear friends. So many people, why they cannot learn English is because they try for few days and again they leave it. No, you should not do. You have to make it habit. For making a habit, as per one scientific survey, at least 21 days we have to practice that one. If you practice 21 days, and it will become a habit, and automatically our subconscious mind is going to make it happen in our day-to-day life. In the same way, you have to just practice this formula for 21 days, then it may become a habit in your life, so that you can improve your English better and better. Okay, so do you follow this method, my friends? Well friends, so then I hope you enjoyed this formula. So just comment in the below how you felt after watching this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to share it to your loved ones. Well friends, so then with this I'm going to end. So in the next video I'm going to bring you one more topic. Until then, so thanks for watching. All the best and God bless you all.